Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have this plant shelf. I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. This thing has 7 different tiers of places to put plants, and it just looks incredible in your house. I have 6 plants on here. As you can see, I love vines, and I think that this shelf is really great for vines. The bottom shelf, I think I'm just gonna put some supplies on. You could put another low light plant down there on the bottom, but I just really love how the structure of this looks, guys, how the plants look on it. There's even these little hooks on the top here that you could hang vines from. I just put mine on the top, but you could hang vines from there as well, or add additional vining plants there, or hanging plants. Another really awesome feature of this shelf, of these shelves, are these lights, and these lights just attach with wires. And they attach, and they have these little Velcro straps, so it kind of keeps them hidden and out of the way. Now down here is the control for these lights, and as you can see, you can set different intervals: 3 hours, 9 hours, 12 hours. You can just turn certain lights on, certain lights off. Guys, these lights were super easy to install. There's one underneath the center one up top there, and then one over here. You could just do whatever you wanted, though. You could set those wherever you like. I wouldn't really consider them grow lights, but they do add some really nice character to the shelf, especially at night. It really accents the shelf, makes your plants look awesome, and I think that's really cool. All right, guys, so you can see the shelf has many different features, from the shelf, how the shape looks, the aesthetics of everything. I really, really love, and my favorite thing about this, guys, has to be the fact of just how these vines look. Look at this philodendron over here, guys, how it just flows to the ground. I really, really, really just love the look of it. I love that it has these hooks as well as the lighting, guys. I can't really say anything better about this shelf because of just how awesome it looks in your living room, your office, wherever you're going to keep it. I get so many compliments on this thing, and I just highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.